Today, I'm going to show you how to record your screen in Windows 11 using a built-in tool that is completely free, has no watermark, and requires no extra software at all. Yes, Windows 11 already comes with its own screen recorder, and it's part of the snipping tool. This tool can do much more than what it was used for in Windows 10 or earlier versions. So let's get started. First, click on the Start button and type Snipping Tool. You'll see it appear instantly, even if you type just Snip. Click on Snipping Tool to open it. You can also open the Snipping Tool instantly by pressing Windows key plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. This opens the snipping bar right away. Now, at the top, you'll see a record icon that looks like a small movie camera. Click on that. Next, choose how you want to record your screen. If you want to record the entire screen, select Window. Now click New, and then click anywhere on your desktop. This will select your full screen. Once everything is ready, click Start Recording. Before you begin, make sure the microphone is unmuted so your voice is recorded as well. While recording, you can pause the video at any time or stop it when you're done. We'll also see the recording duration displayed on the screen. When you click Stop Recording, your video will be automatically saved. By default, it saves to the Pictures Screenshots folder. If you want to change this location, open Snipping Tool Settings, click Change, and select a new destination for your recordings. You can also click Open Folder to access it instantly. Now let's go back and play the recording. You can also click Save if you want to store it in another location. If you want to record a specific area of the screen or record in a mobile-style format, I recommend using a 1920 by 1080 resolution. To do that, click the Record button again, choose Rectangle, and click New. Now select your desired area and click Start Recording. When you're finished, just click Stop Recording, and that's it. You've just recorded your screen for free, with no watermark and no subscription required. Pretty awesome, right? Windows 11 Snipping Tool is honestly one of the best hidden tools built into the system. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching Online Study Academy, and I'll see you in the next video.